Hello, this is Hassan Sayed from Germany and Jamal Taco also together. Actually, we just heard sad news about our one of the legend actor.
Can you photograph
No, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Seher. Death of Shashi Kapoor. We just heard that he has died, and we feel so sad and we feel so sorry about that. And since our childhood, me and Jamal Tagore has been watching his movies, and that was a very nice time and great time. And there was no such situations which people are facing these days, and terrorism and all that and bullshit and whatnot. Those days were full of peace, and we were so happy about that. And we are happy that we belong to that era, me and Mr. Jamal Chako. And Ikrasta Hai Zindagi kind of songs reminds us and will always remind us the whole world also his performances
Legendary.
and his legendary personality, and he was a fine actor, and we extend our condolences to his wife Jennifer and his kids and his family, and we pray that rest in peace for him. And I don't know what to say, but this is a moment, sad moment that good people are leaving.
Big loss.
It's a big loss to industry, and but he will live in history, and
You will never forget him.
we and the whole world will never forget such a beautiful and fantastic actor. He was so heartthrob, and he was so, he was something everybody
Incredible
used to like him.
person.
Incredible and fantabulous actor. And however, we feel that he was from our era, and we miss his presence in the film industry. Shashi Kapoor was a great actor, finest actor, and
We'll never forget him.
we will never forget him, and we're sad for him.
He will live forever.
ये छोटी सी एक है मेरी जमाल ठाकुर साहब की कंडोलेंसेज हैं, ताज़ियत है। हमारे दौर का एक्टर था शशि कपूर, बहुत अच्छा एक्टर था, एंड वो भी आज फोर्थ हुआ है, ये खबर आई है, और हमें एकदम वो अपना पुराना वक्त याद आ गया। हम उसकी फिल्में देखकर जवान हुए हैं। जब हम जवान हो रहे थे तो उसकी फिल्में चला करती थी, एंड वी फील सो, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बहुत बड़ा लॉस है। सो मेरा और जमाल ठाकुर का उसके ऊपर बहुत बड़ी ताज़ियत है, बहुत बड़ा लॉस है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए, आर्ट परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट के लिए, और उसकी फैमिली के लिए, सब के लिए। तो हमारी तरफ से उसकी फैमिली के लिए ताज़ियत है। Agha Hassan Sayed, Point President, and Mr. Jamal Taco, Chairman, fine, from Germany, and thank you very much, and please accept our condolences for his departed soul. Thank you very much, and catch you later, and bye-bye.